intensely search next big in music, next big in dancehall and reggae, and right now the lady named Hope Vocals. Hope, what go on?
So Vocals. Hello.
Hey, we see
Pleasure
how do
to
it,
be
you know.
here.
Yeah, we see how do it. Ilang Gully, from Maroon to everything, but before the music though, what's Hope Vocals?
Hope Vocals is a Maroon reggae fusion artist from Portland, Jamaica. A windward Maroon. I've been actively involved, in the culture since I was a child, tender age of 5. Went touring with my group, the Ghanaian and the Cultural Group. That's where it all started. My new artist journey started last year, and I'm here now.
So basically we're part of a group and now you step aside from the group and focus on your...
The group is still there, but I'm taking a solo journey now.
You mentioned being a Maroon and following the Maroon tradition, right? In 2026, how you actually keep that culture alive? Why they know so many distractions in the world right now and things have evolved,
I think because I grew up in it, it's always intriguing to me, and now I'm working and making it intriguing for others also.
When you have Maroons, we just think of rebellious people. Like, what people should know about Maroons?
Maroons don't back down. We are warriors, we are fighters.
How do you merge being a Maroon with being a musician though? Like, how the collaboration go about now? Like, are there songs about your culture that we can actually listen to and learn something from?
Yes. For instance, the song on the Hill and Gully Ride is one, and I have a next one coming called Warrior under the Symphony V label. That song will tell you more about who I am and solidify my image as a Maroon.
What have you been working with so far? Because even Ilango Rhythm, Genius actually give you the go ahead and say yeah.
Yes, we went to G-Jam studio around a month ago, and it was lovely, being there with him and creating something beautiful as Walking Day. That's the title of the song. My mother said I walk and I. My mother said I walk and I. Bird I go pick your cherry. Tiki 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 tiki. In the start, I'm letting people know that I'm a Maroon. I am here giving them a subtle greetings, and I'm telling them to rise up and dance, inviting others and the ancestors to join me, in celebration, and we're just having a good time.
Question, the Maroons in Portland are different from Maroons in Hong Kong?
So Jamaica has 4 main settlements, and you have the Leeward and you have the Windward. Charlestown and the Rio Grande Valley Maroons are the Windward, Akompong and Scotsall, Leeward.
But most people talk about Akompong with Sir Richard Curry.
Right.
Is it Richard Curry is the true leader of all, or just Akompong only?
Chief Curry is the chief for Akompong, and the other Maroon communities have their own chief.
What's your chief name?
Colonel Wallace Sterling is our chief.
So musically now, how did you face the backlash of, females normally only do ranch music and dancehall and reggae right now? You're not doing that. You're doing this cultural phase right now. Even on the Ilango Rhythm, a lot of people say, oh, they must sing the slack song, them or yet still. The slack songs are the ones that are going viral. And so you're doing a cultural song on it, and them not really talk about it like that.
I think everyone have their own lane, their own style, and you just have to be your authentic self. And once people see that you're being your authentic self, they will catch on to that and they will support you. Some people choose to do raunchy music, and I choose to do positivity. And I believe that I can find my crowd. And sometimes you have to pave your own way too.
Inspiration be a music for you.
Okay, so I'm an old soul. Nina Simone, Luther Vandross, those are my main influences.
What's next for you?
What's next for me? I have 2 songs coming, Warrior and God's Timing, under the label Symphony B Records. My manager / publicist / producer will stand by it. We're working on a number of things.
Talking about Warrior though. What's inspiration being Warrior?
Life is a fight, so we have to stay resilient. We have to push on each day. We have to get up and decide that we want to do this life thing. We only have one chance. We only have one life. We have to make the most of it. And of course, naturally, said it countless times, I'm a Maroon, so we have to solidify that, you know. Walla walla cherry.
What's your dream collab?
Massacre is in the top 5. And internationally, I'd say Thames.
Alright, so what's the most intense thing about you, Vokal?
I am little but talawa. Yeah. I'm gonna play them.
You own another voice, like the very piece of the songs, man.
Yeah, I have to go join you know, So you said me say walk a night, you go say walk in there. Walla walla cherry.
Walk in there.
Walla walla cherry.
Walk in
So
there.
my mother say no walk a night.
Walk in there.
Yeah.
But the first part of the song though, it's like you had a different dialect. What was that just now?
Yes, that was the Kramanti mixed with the Bongo language. You
What
know,
mean though?
I'm both.
What were you saying just now?
As said before, it just means I'm a Maroon, because Yenkunko means Maroon. And I am here.
Yenkunko?
Yeah, Yenkunko means Maroon. And I'm inviting the people and the ancestors to join me and dance and celebrate life. Full translation coming soon whenever the song is released, along with lyrics so that everyone can sing with me. I try to.
The Maroon Princess. Oh, Vokal. Check it out. Intent.